This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with a 16-inch by 20-inch canvas that has been pre-primed white, and I'm thinking I'm going to do something really weird. I'm not going to do anything if it's not open. But there we go. Because I do a lot of short videos on my other channel, Fluid Art Obsession Syllabi. And what I usually do is drag a spatula through. And what I'm thinking about doing is taking all the colors that I have left over from my last piece, after I spread a little background color, because the background at this point is pre-painted white, I can do that. And I've always wanted to, so now might be the perfect time. I'm not sure about the smearing of the next colors. I might miss having those lines in there. But we are to the point where I have to decide how to get these colors out of here. Since they're looking rather muddy, I'm wondering if I'm going to wind up swiping. I could just add colors I like over the top of them, I suppose, too. It could be a stage one. I have never done anything quite exactly like this. I'm not sure how to think about it yet. Now if I'd had a background layer of paint that was heavy and I could tip, I could flow my paint, but I don't think that that's the case in this case. But at least I've used it up. And now it's time to decide what's next. Is it going to be blooms or tipping or colors? And I think it's going to be colors. These are Prizm Pour Paints. And there's a coupon for 20% off for Colour Arte, where you can find all these paints and lots more primary elements and pouring mediums. I want some gold, and that's a fact. And then I'm thinking I want some orange. And no matter what I put in here, I could definitely use a spatula. To change it up. Or some other tool. Because they're handy and they're still sticky from the last process. I've got toothy tools too. I'm kind of liking what I'm doing now. Could probably do something with a palette knife. I'm thinking the Tuscan sun is coming right up. I've never tried this before. And I do like experiments. I'm definitely thinking about hot orchid. And a new spatula. And maybe some gold cell activator just to see what happens. I never did put the Tuscan Sun in there. It doesn't mean it's not coming. Oh, I like that. That's cool. That kind of worked. Let's do it again. Just keep flipping it around. I'm still thinking about the Tuscan Sun. I'm also thinking about orange. In this case, the orange is going to be my Orange Crush with a little bit of Big Apple in it. But I'm going to keep using that gold cell activator. I do like cleaning my spatula off on the edge of things, but I also like mark making. It's not too late to use a toothy tool or even a spatula. Since the background is painted, that means I can move paint like so, because it's nice and slippery. It's totally weird, but it's kind of cool. It's definitely fun. I want the pink. Still want the Tuscan Sun though. Maybe I should have a look at that now before it gets any further along. I'm glad I did that because it's not coming out very easily. And I made green. I think maybe I should not smear the Tuscan Sun, I should just use it. Yes. I think that is an excellent idea. I'm being called to Fandango, strangely enough. Yes, I like that. That makes things pop. Let's try a little bit of Chantilly lace. And maybe a few dots and dabs of African Violet. Now I keep forgetting that if you put a bunch of dots down, alternating colors, you can pull them with a spatula and create stripes. Not now, evidently. I should have put the other colors in there. What other color do I want in here left? I'm thinking maybe a little frozen and call it good, because it's wild and crazy right as it is, and there's nothing I have to do to anything if I don't want to. Yeah, some frozen. Yep, that was just therapeutic. Anything else? Maybe a little tiny bit more hot orchid. Not a lot though. I think just a little bit. Right there. And a little bit right there. And otherwise, that's just wild. Okay, we're gonna settle for just wild. Wild and fun and therapeutic. So, please give me a thumbs up if you wouldn't mind. I'd really appreciate it. I want that little ball to be gone. I don't know if I need any spirals. If I put one in, it won't hurt anything. And I'll destroy those bubbles that are right there. I love working on a dry canvas. Yeah, I know I said it was done. It kind of works like that sometimes. Got to be careful not to go too far, which is not an easy thing necessarily to monitor or to control. But I think it's going to be all right. It will require a frame. Yeah, there's some great energy going on in there. I'm really liking this a lot. I love you guys. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out some of my 2400 videos by going to my YouTube channel. If you go to my YouTube channel banner and you find the PayPal icon, you're eligible, or invited rather, to have a 15-minute consultation in the next 30 days, if you so desire, for making a donation. I'll send you a receipt and then you'll know. God, I want some more of that pink. I know I don't need it because the energy in this is tremendous. I know, I just keep saying I'm done and I'm not. I am now. Okay, so let me grab my phone and see if we can do some shimmering, because for some leftover colors that were beginning to get muddy, they're pretty awesome. And the energy down there is pretty awesome too. Not that it's easy to see with my big mess. I will be cleaning up my mess shortly. Leslie said she was going to get some white paper. Oh, that is dynamic. I'm loving that. I'm going to look for bubbles that I saw when I was in the right position. No, this was a lot of fun. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Really appreciate your presence. I'm ultimately distracted right now. Can't hardly think because I just want to look for bubbles and admire my strange and shimmering, beautiful color art masterpiece, dare I say. Who knows what it is? Depends on what your taste is, I guess. For me, I like it. I especially like the black and the drags, and that's just bizarre. Cool. Okay, so what have I forgotten to tell you? Pretty much everything. Linktree. The Linktree is under Show More, along with my paint pouring recipe. On the Linktree, you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shopping, Pixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, Le Gallerist, Spring Clothing. Spring Clothing is also under the video. If you find something that you fall in love with and you'd like to see it like this, would be great on fabric as a shirt, please just mention it and I will add it if you are interested in having something printed up at any one of those places. Do I do it? I could probably have a lot of fun just going in there and dotting. I don't like that mark right there. Okay, take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Make sure you know that I sell my artwork. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. If you have other questions than the ones you want to leave me in comments, my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I am a Color Art affiliate. If you do some shopping and buy some Prizm pours or some primary elements, you do help me out. They also have the pouring mediums, Vivid Polypore and Vivid Enamel. I have 2 books on the Amazon link that's on the link tree, and 4 lists of tools and paints and other cool stuff. But my 2 books are Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. They're my first and second 100 videos, and all the descriptions, the tools, everything you would need to try and do something yourself. Whatever I'm missing, I'll tell you another time because I'm so distracted. Please give me a thumbs up when you share my videos. You help me out. I love you much. You inspire the heck out of me. I post at noon Eastern Standard Time, 7 days a week pretty much. And I am so happy with this. I can't even tell you. The more I like it, the more I look at it, the more I like it. I hope you like it too. Bye for now. Priscilla out.